हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं बायोटेक मैथ्स स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी हैक्स फॉर द नैट्स in JAM. A student opens up a JAM Biotech paper, sees a stats questions and slowly whispers, ये बायोटेक था या फिर IIT JAM ने UPSC कर दिया. You thought biotech was all about genes, plasmids and PCR. Guess what? JAM says थोड़ा maths भी हो जाए बेटा. And suddenly you are calculating mean, standard deviation and probability like it's your board exam all over again. So here is the secret JAM does not advertise. Every year they sneak in 1 to 2 nats from the statistics and probability. And the worst part, they don't ask hard math. They ask easy looking twist wala questions. Something like mean is 10, SD is 2, what percentage of values will fall between 8 and 12? You think easy hai? Then forgot the rule and write 50%. But the answer was 68%, 2 marks gone faster than your calculator app loads. Let's break down the 3 statistics probability hacks that turn NATs into guaranteed scoring. Number 1. Mean, median, mode, the drama trio. JAM gives you 5 values 2, 3, 5, 50, 100 and ask find the mean and the median. You panic because of 100 but calm down. Mean is equal to the sum of all divided by the number of values and the median is equal to the middle one when sorted. Here mean is equal to 165, that is 32 and median is equal to 5. Moral of the story, don't let one drama value distract you. Number 2 is standard deviation, the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, the JAM's favorite trick. They will say mean is 50, SD is 5, what percentage of data lies between 45 and 55? Don't overthink. That's plus minus 1 SD, so answer is 68%. Memorize the rule like it's your OTP. 1 SD is equal to 68%, 2 SD is equal to 95%, 3 SD is equal to 99.7%. It's not math, it's memory. Number 3 is probability. They ask questions like what's the chance of getting 2 heads in 3 coin tosses and all. So, why do even toppers lose marks even in these nats? Because they they forget to round the required decimal. They panic and second guess correct logic. And they skip the stats thinking it's not important. But JAM is not testing formulas. They are testing whether you have trained your brain to handle logic under the pressure. These are not math questions. These are biotech logical traps in math disguise. So that's why at our coaching center, we don't just teach stats. We teach how JAM frames stats-based nats, which formulas JAM actually repeats, how to round decimals like JAM experts, and to solve without second guessing. And yes, we offer topic-wise NAT mock test, visual memory cards for probability and stats, one-to-one mentorship for the weak students, and free class for those with financial difficulty. Because JAM is not about who studied more, it's about who studied smart. Join our Biotech EZ Maths Booster course and let's turn your NAT nightmares into sure short scores.